Freelancing and Copywriting. Welcome to our exploration of freelancing and copywriting. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of freelance writing and the specialized craft of copywriting. Let's get started. Freelance writing. Freelance writing offers an avenue for those with strong writing skills to shine independently. Freelance writers craft various content, from articles and blog posts to website copy and social media updates. They can specialize in niches like technology, health, finance, travel, or lifestyle. Payment often occurs on a per-project or pre-word basis, and collaborations can take place directly with clients or through content platforms and marketplaces. Copywriting. Copywriting is a specialized form of writing aimed at creating persuasive and compelling marketing content. Copywriters are the architects behind promotional materials, advertisements, product descriptions, sales pages, and email campaigns. Their goal is to captivate the audience and drive specific actions, like making a purchase or signing up for a service. Building strong portfolio. To attract clients, it's essential to build a strong portfolio showcasing your writing skills. Start by crafting high-quality samples in your chosen niche or industry. You can display your work on a personal website or leverage platforms like Medium and LinkedIn. Guest blogging or contributing to publications can also boost your visibility and credibility. Now, the question arises: how do you find those coveted clients? Finding clients. Online platforms and marketplaces such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are excellent places to connect with clients in need of writing services. Networking with professionals in your field and utilizing social media platforms can also yield potential clients. Don't shy away from cold pitching to businesses and publications. It's a strategy worth considering. Pricing and contracts. Setting your pricing structure is vital. Factors like project complexity, word count, research requirements, and your experience level should all be considered. Freelancers often charge per word, per hour, and per project. It's crucial to establish clear contracts that outline project scope, deadlines, revisions, payment terms, and rights to the content. Clarity in contracts ensures a transparent and mutually beneficial working relationship. Conclusion. Freelancing and copywriting are exciting avenues where your writing talents can flourish. Whether you're creating captivating content as a freelance writer or crafting compelling marketing materials as a copywriter, the online world is full of opportunities are waiting for you. Thank you.